We're going to have a little race on this construction site between the rifle M50 staple gun, which holds 50 staples, and these three 18-year-olds. They're going to be putting in staples by hand. Here, you guys ready to go? Go! I'm kicking their butt. I can just tell it. Don't even have to really work hard to utilize this tool and put in staples like nobody's business. Oh yeah, I like kicking these young guys. They don't know how to work. I'll show them how it's done. There we go, 50 staples. Done. Rifle M50. Is it in your toolbox?